In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to play Netflix FIFA Football Game. Let's get started. First, make sure you have an active Netflix membership as the game is included at no extra cost for subscribers. Launch Netflix app on your compatible smart TV or visit Netflix on your computer. Then go to the game section and launch FIFA World Cup. Launch Edition. A QR code will appear on the screen. Scan it with your smartphone to connect to your phone as a game controller. Once connected, choose your favorite national team. Select a game mode such as kickoff, tournament, or penalty shootout and start playing. You can enjoy the game solo or with up to 4 players, making it a fun option for friends and family. If the game does not appear, make sure your Netflix app is updated and confirm that games on TV are available in your region. With fast-paced gameplay, official World Cup teams and stadiums, and simple controls, Netflix FIFA World Cup Launch Edition offers an easy way to enjoy football right from your living room. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.